much do you know about buildings and health? Let's talk about health as a criteria. If somebody tells you that I want a house or a home design, only brief is I should be and all the members of the family should be healthy. So everybody has a different life energy. इसका calibration करना पड़ता है. I think here everybody will be having a good life energy. Because room is open, there is a lot of breathing happening. But if कोई आप closed room में जाएंगे, depressed लोग होंगे, बीमार लोग होंगे, जिसको changes the bioenergy which is released and then do some changes so that you become on. So your body energy connects with you. There are a lot of changes, there are a lot of interventions happening, air condition, electrical, lighting, furniture, bed, direction, windows. So all solutions which we have told you architecturally are the solution for compatibility. So if there is a lot of solution, your body chakras harmonize and you will get compatible.
I extend our heartfelt gratitude to architect Mayank Barjatya for today's enriching and inspiring session on building biology and health in architecture. Your talk not only gave us a fresh perspective on how buildings influence human well-being, but also made us more aware about the hidden factors like toxic materials, EMF exposures, and geopathic stresses that often go unnoticed. The live demonstrations of the multifunctional environment meter, EMR meter, further deepened our understanding, making the session both practical and memorable. We truly appreciate how you simplified complex concepts and showed us that architecture can move beyond providing a mere shelter towards creating healthy homes that nurture health, energy, and life, leaving us inspired to think more holistically as future architects. Thank you once again for sharing your time, knowledge, and vision with us.